Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show how to enable the Show Account Suggestions on Profiles feature on Instagram using your PC. This option lets Instagram recommend your account to others, helping you reach more people and grow your profile naturally. Let's get started step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Instagram. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your home feed, look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a menu icon with 3 lines. Click on it to open the sidebar menu. From the menu that appears, find and click on Settings. This will take you to your account settings page where you can manage different aspects of your profile. Next, look for the Edit Profile option and click on it. This section allows you to update your personal information and control how your profile appears to others. Now scroll down until you find the option labeled Show Account Suggestions on Profiles. This is the feature we're focusing on. You'll see a checkbox next to it. Simply click the checkbox to enable it. By turning this on, you're allowing Instagram to recommend your account on other profiles, which can increase your visibility and help more users discover you. After enabling the option, make sure you scroll down and click on the Submit button. This step is important because it saves your changes. And that's it. You've successfully enabled account suggestions on your Instagram profile using a PC. If you found this helpful, feel free to explore more Instagram settings to optimize your account even further.